Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today let us master the way of preparing a versatile snack that can be enjoyed any time of the day, that is hash browns. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and help the channel grow, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. For the ingredients, please check the description section. I have washed the potatoes. Let me peel it. And then I will finely shred the peeled potatoes. Then I will place the shredded potatoes in a bowl containing ice cold water and soak it for half an hour to get rid of the starch. Then I'll wash it thoroughly. And the secret to get crispy hash browns is to get rid of all the moisture. So I'll place a clean kitchen towel and try to strain the water from the shredded potatoes. I'll try to squeeze as much as possible to get rid of all the water. Then transfer it to a clean bowl. And now that it is ensured that the grated potatoes are free from moisture, it is time to get cooking. I'll drizzle little amount of cooking oil in a pot, place the shredded potatoes, and on a low flame I will cook it for 5 to 6 minutes with continuous stirring. Then I'll allow it to cool. And it is the time to add on the required seasoning. First I'll add little amount of salt, followed by little amount of chili flakes. Then in goes pepper powder and a little amount of rice flour for crispiness, and for binding a little amount of corn flour. Then finely chopped parsley goes in, along with 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Then I'll grate in little amount of fresh mozzarella cheese and also add little amount of cheddar cheese. Then mix all the ingredients thoroughly. And for making perfect hash browns, here is a small tip. I will take a little amount of the prepared hash brown mixture, and then I'll be transferring this to a square box that I have taken here, and try to press the mixture as much as possible. As you can see, we can adjust the thickness of the hash browns. Then I'll take it out and cut it in 2 halves, and I'll be getting 2 hash browns at one go. Then to get the authentic shape of the hash browns, I'll be rounding off the edges. And once the hash browns are ready, you can freeze it for a couple of days and fry whenever needed. For frying, I'll be heating little amount of oil, placing the prepared hash browns. and I'll be frying the hash browns till they are golden in color. I'll be ensuring that I'll be flipping it occasionally. Once done, it is the time to drain it out, and it can be enjoyed as a side dish for breakfast, lunch, or as an evening snack. I will just show you how crispy the hash browns have turned out. They are super crunchy on the outside, soft and moist from the inside. Please let us know your comments regarding this recipe. Kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.